Where are the tickets? Oh, there they are.
Holly, you got the tickets in your box.
We got a new box.
She likes this better than her basket. This isn't going to work for filming. You know that, right?
And I have to...
Go back to the bat.
Oh.
That's my finger.
She likes to play in the box, though. So we may have to cut down the sides and...
Leave the box
give her a new box.
until she gets bored with it. Can we have these, though?
Yeah.
We need some Bengal luck on them. Any winners in here?
Any winners?
Ooh,
oh.
Ooh, you jumped at it.
They are?
Yeah, which one? Smell them all. Yeah?
Gonna grab one and run?
Run with it, Cyrus. Grab a ticket. Run with it.
All right.
All right, well, she says there's some luck in here, she thinks.
She thinks there is.
She's in her new box instead of her basket here, which is just weird. But...
All right, $5 New York State.
And these are the new color scheme for the same old ticket, but they seem to... We played them a couple of them. We did pretty well on them.
Yeah.
I like the new design.
You like them?
Yeah.
Oh, you like them? You like them, Holly?
Holly.
Holly, you like them?
Any good? Well, she
that
said
one
maybe.
smells good? Okay.
We'll see.
We shall see.
Look at this. What?
Oh, she wants to play.
She wants to play with the box, yeah. She keeps coming out and getting my hand.
Because she can hear through the box. She likes it to hear it. Whoa.
Ooh, I almost lost a digit.
She's quick. She's very quick.
You got your pencil.
What are you doing?
She's attacking your pencil eraser.
Oh, yeah. She's very, very quick.
This is a new toy for her, this box. We bought some salad mix in the house, and she said, oh, yeah, I like your box.
I like this box. So we put a towel in it. It's all the comforts of home, of course.
Now she won't sleep in the basket.
Yeah.
So she'll get bored of it eventually. We'll go back to the basket. But for now, I have a box on my dining room table.
All right.
All right,
Let's get back to scratching.
All right, Holly says she thinks you got something with these tickets. So
all right.
let's hope. What do we win with on these?
We would win, let's see. Oh, my favorite coins. 5X, 10X, or life. That would be $2,500 a week for life. So we have an 11, a 25, 24, 21, 19, and a 9. 9, 11, 19, 21, 24, 25.
All right, coin or multiplier?
All right. Any one of those will work.
We'd be happy. Looking for life.
Yep, we're looking for life. Oh, little one.
Be scratching around in there.
A 4. 17.
You're funny, Holly.
13. 18. Up, 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 up.
What do we have?
What do I spy with
Holly,
my little eye?
You did it. You knew.
You did it. You got a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. Let's see if we got any more winner in here.
She says, I've been tired lately. I haven't played too much, but
7.
I thought this was a winner, she says.
Oh, and a coin.
Holly, multiple winner.
Multiple winner.
You knew it, Holly. You're so good at this. Gotta forget to sneak you in the store with us.
15. 20. Up. Winner, chicken dinner.
3 winners and 1 ticket so far, Holly.
Woo. And a 6.
Good job,
So
Holly.
let's see. I'll do the coin first because I like the coins.
Oh, she's playing.
All right, $5 in there. Let me find the other one. We have a 19, matches the 19. And $5. And we have a 9. And $5.
All right.
Did I miss any more? Let's see. I don't think so.
All right, $15.
So $15 on a $5 ticket. Very good.
Good job, Holly. Next
Good
ticket.
job. How about that one?
What do you think?
Yeah, she's playing.
She's playing with this box and this pencil.
All right, let's go.
Go back to sleep now.
12, 29, 15, 4, 20, and 28.
She wins. She got
All
the
right.
pencil now in the box with her.
4, 12, 15, 20, 28, 29. All right. Let's see what we got. We have a 16, 13, 25, 19, second row, 27, 22, 21, chicken legs 11,
What are you doing, Holly?
18, 9, 24, and 26. So want on that ticket. No winner. She's having a good old time here playing with that pencil.
She was.
She's gonna grab that 1 minute. There you go.
My pencil.
My pen now. Okay.
I'm just gonna chew on the eraser. She said.
Another ticket. Oh, that's my pencil. Don't chew the eraser off. I need that. I make lots of mistakes. We have a 3 and a 7. 21.
3 times 7 is 21.
That's true. 29, 8, and 20. All right, let's see if we can match one of these guys.
3 times 7 is 21, plus 8 is 29.
All right,
Is there a system here?
I think. 9, 15, 28, 27, 14, 18, 17,
Wow.
22. Nope, we had a 21. 2, we had a 3. 4, 19, and a 6. So nothing on that ticket either. All right, let's see what we got on this one. 22, 17, oh, higher numbers than we've been getting. 29, 18, oh, little one, and a 3. 1, 3, 17, 18, 22, 29. Holly going to sleep here?
She's breathing heavy, yeah.
25.
She's tired of playing with the pencil.
She's tired out. 2. I, of course, have the 1 and the 3. 23. 24. 20. 16. 12. Chicken legs 11. And the last row 27, 13, 21, we have a 22, and a 9. So want. 3 of the 4 tickets were losers, and the 1 ticket had lots of money. Had a coin, my favorite, and 2 $5 matching numbers. So we got $15 on 1 ticket, and the rest were bust. And she's falling asleep now. Yeah, I'm tired now. All right. If you like what we do, folks, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and good luck with your scratching.